Hi everyone, I am Santoshi Suryakumari. A warm welcome to Srinivas Art Classes. Today I am going to show you how to draw pear. So now with help of uh, these caps I will draw circles. With help of circles I will draw pear and I will color with crayon. Please watch full video for better understanding. Now I am going to draw circle. With help of this I just trace this one outline. This technique is very useful for kids to learn easily. So here I will place and I just draw like this. Okay, now just so connect this like soft touch like this. Now just erase the inside lines. Just I will erase some lines only like this. Now just draw some half arc like this, and now draw like this and here like this. So now this is a pear. Now we are going to color. Draw lightly. Before going to coloring, I'm just lightening this image. So like this. Now I will use this crayons. I will take green, light green and dark green and brown. So first of all I just color with this one. So now just first trace the outline smoothly. Don't hold it tightly. So just like this. First trace the outline, next color it like this. So diagonally or horizontally, any one direction you need to like this. Like this, first colored with light color like this. Now I would like to take green color, dark green color, and I just colored some part, not total part. Don't let it go outside. So within this place we need to color. So first trace the outlines and do it slowly in one direction like this. So here I just the here also like this. Like this. Now color it with brown color like this. Now I am going to blend. So take a cotton bud and I am just taking a coconut oil or baby oil. You can take anything. So In this 1 cup, I just taken coconut oil. Just dip this cotton bud, little bit, not too. So now just blend it like this in one direction. This oil gives perfect blending and shining. So like this, first always we need to blend lighter colors, and next we can blend darker shade like this. If you want again, you can blend, dip it. Just smoothen the edges like this. Now take other end, use other end to blend this brown color. One. So this is my pear crayon drawing. How is this, friends? Do you like it? Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for everyone.